Hey guys, if you're watching this video, so you probably have the same problem as I did doing my photos, because all of the photos I did, they all come out black or very darkened. So I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 12, iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 so they're gonna show nice and light pictures. All right, let's turn back camera. Here's a book. Let me show you the trick. You see the arrow on top of your screen. Push it down, and the third icon on the bottom, you see three little squares. Click on those three squares. It tells you standard. Now scroll to the left, rich cool. More to the left, vibrant. More to the left, warm. Then cool, and just go back to standard and you fix your problem. Hopefully this video was helpful.